Turkish Bayraktar TB3 flies for the first time. The Bayraktar TB3 drone, one of Turkey's domestic and national aircraft, is counting the days until it takes to the skies. Selçuk Bayraktar, chairman of Baykar Technology, shared the first flight test of the Bayraktar TB3. As the world's war strategies change, Turkish drones continue to perform successfully in all fields. The Bayraktar TB3, which can take off and land from short runways, has successfully completed its first wheel-cutting test. The Bayraktar TB3 drone, developed by Baykar, is an armed, unmanned aerial system capable of taking off and landing from short runway ships. In addition to reconnaissance, surveillance, and intelligence missions, it will be able to carry out operations with indigenous smart munitions under its wings. Designed for use on helicopter carriers and aircraft carriers, the aircraft's foldable wing structure provides the user with the ability to conduct armed, unmanned aerial vehicle operations in overseas missions. The Bayraktar TB3, which has both line-of-sight and beyond line-of-sight communication capabilities, can be controlled from very long distances. Bayraktar TB3 flight characteristics: 14-meter wingspan, 835 meters length, 2.6 meters in height, 1,450 kilograms takeoff weight, 125 knots, 160 knots TAS cruising speed, maximum speed, 280 kilograms payload capacity, 24+ hours flight time. Bayraktar TB3 special features: short runway carrier takeoff and landing capability, line of sight and beyond line of sight communications, automatic takeoff and landing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.